Hi, this is John with WTI. And I've always been drinking ginger ale since a lot of time and had regular brands, okay, good. And when I saw this, I was like, premium ginger ale. Like, what is the difference? And once I tried this premium ginger ale, it was a game changer. I'm pretty good. Like, I'm not gonna switch back into any ginger ale after this. This little can here tastes great. It's a nice concentrate of ginger ale. It's your typical ginger ale that you would always taste, but it just feels like the nice quality. And this is so versatile. You can just add this to your favorite drinks and as this has like a really strong flavor of the ginger ale, you would not have to add too much. And I even felt myself having like a lot of energy after having this. So it's just a nice taste, concentrate, well flavored ginger ale that it just feels like great quality. If you just want to drink it straight, just drink it like real cold in the middle of a meal, and it's just wonderful. So this was John with ATI, and that was my point of view.